Hi and welcome to the 4-part strategy that helps you get rid of unhealthy habits. I am Tinkuta. I'm a nutrition and wellness strategist, and that means that I create simple and effective strategies that are meant to focus on implementation. For this reason, throughout this course, you're going to work alongside me and you will implement everything that you learn, because otherwise you will not get results that you are looking for. Okay, so as much as I wanted to create this amazing course on motivation or how to spike your willpower and fire you up, I cannot do that, because regardless of the words that I say, our actions matter. So I thought, okay, so what can I do instead? So I can kind of hold your hand virtually throughout this course and be there with you on this journey to getting rid of unhealthy habits. So we can do that by explaining something and then immediately implementing. Otherwise, as I said, you won't see results. But if you do the work, if you do the assignments that are easy to do, then you will see results. Okay, so let's jump straight into the goal of this course. So the goal is, I'm assuming that you're in point A. You don't know how unhealthy habits work, you don't know how to get rid of unhealthy habits, and you're not able to stay consistent with the changes. So by the end of the course, you will understand how unhealthy habits work, how to get rid of unhealthy habits, and you'll also know how to stay consistent with the changes. Because it's one to get rid of unhealthy habits for 1 day, for 2 days, but how do you stay consistent with those changes? Okay, so we'll also cover that as well during the course. Now, there's a main thing that I wanted to share with you. So whenever you want to get rid of unhealthy habits, you want to focus on identifying the benefits of the unhealthy habit. So you bring in other activities that give you the same amount of pleasure or even more pleasure when you're doing them. So we will talk more about this, but basically what this means is that every unhealthy habit that you have brings you lots of benefits. And whenever you identify those benefits, you know that there are some other activities in your life that you do that bring you the same benefits or even more. So you work on identifying the benefits of the unhealthy habit and then the same or more benefits in other activities, so you can use them to replace the unhealthy habit. And you'll learn how to do just that. One more thing that I want to share with you before we move on. You will use a tool during this course, and I really encourage you to use pen and paper to journal about your unhealthy habits. Here's why I encourage you to use pen and paper. As much as I like typing, we are so used to doing that and that it doesn't have any meaning at all. So whenever we use pen and paper, we attach more meaning and intention to the words that we write on paper, and we also organize our thoughts differently. So it helps us take action in the direction that we want to go in. Okay, so use pen and paper. And as I said, this is meant to be implemented right away. So take out pen and paper, your notebook, your journal, whatever you'd like to use throughout this course, and jump straight in to the first assignment, and let's get started.